Quick Draw was released in 2016 and it's an AI-powered drawing game built by Google. It challenges users to doodle an everyday object in 20 seconds, well enough so that Google AI can figure out that assigned word. You don't need to be a great artist in order to excel in this game. In fact, you'll be amazed by how quick the AI can get that word. It doesn't matter how sketchy your drawing might be. How does the AI understand your drawings? Like most AI-powered applications today, it uses an approach called machine learning, aka ML. Different from the traditional methods used to program AI with specific rules, machine learning enables AI to automatically learn and generalize some rules from a large amount of examples, also called data, without being explicitly programmed. The AI behind the game seems to be able to recognize your doodles, but it doesn't really understand them in the same way a human would do. What it does is simply a classification task. Google did collect over 50 million drawings across 345 categories from players across the globe. The Quick Draw AI is a classifier that matches your drawings to the categories with the most similar samples. Now I'm going to show you how to make a simplified version of Quick Draw game in about 3 minutes. The tool we're going to use is Google's Teachable Machine. You can also try this application by yourself at teachablemachine.withgoogle.com. This is Teachable Machine's interface. On your left you have the input window where images are captured by the webcam as input data. In the middle there's the training window where training data is stored, from which the AI will learn the classification rules. Right now we have already collected images from 3 categories: cat, dog and rabbit. On the right you have the output window where AI makes its decision of which category the input image belongs to by comparing the input image to all training data and picking out the most similar category according to its rules as the answer. If it thinks there's a dog in the input image, the answer will be shown in the output window saying dog. When a cat image is recognized, it will say cat, and so on. It's called Teachable Machine because it can be thought to classify different things if examples of those things are fed. Let's teach it to classify drawings of cats, dogs and rabbits correctly. First, we collect data. We need to feed the AI drawings of cats, dogs and rabbits. These are the drawings of cats in different styles. We enter them into the computer by pressing the train button. Same goes for the drawings of dogs and rabbits. And then the training process. AI learns from the data and finds out the rules to distinguish these categories automatically. Finally, making a decision. When given new input, the well-trained AI can now tell us to which category it belongs: cat, dog or rabbit. We can teach AI to distinguish between different categories by giving it data to learn from. We can also match the decision it makes to a different type of output in order to create different applications. For example, we can map the decisions to play different sounds or showing a different GIF animation. Let's see some fun stuff we can do by using Teachable Machine. Summary. Artificial intelligence in fact works in a quite different way than a human brain does. It doesn't really understand what it sees or what you say as it seems to. Most of them are just doing classification tasks. Like the AI behind Quick Draw, the so-called recognition is actually a decision-making process to decide which of the 345 categories the new drawing belongs to. Therefore, the answer it gives won't fall outside of these categories. How does a classifier used by Quick Draw has been built? First step, collecting data. In Teachable Machine, we fed drawing data of 3 categories: cat, dog, and rabbit. In Quick Draw, Google collects 50 million of data across 345 categories. Second step, training. We then train the AI to gain the ability to classify new input by using the collected data and machine learning algorithm. And at last, making decisions. When given new input, the well-trained classifier will classify the input into the most likely category. The more data collected, the more the AI will learn, and the more accurate its decisions will be. That's it. Go on and try out the Teachable Machine for yourself and see if you can make some interesting things out of it.
We are Xiaoxiao Creative Technologies. We aim at introducing the fundamental concepts of artificial intelligence and machine learning to everyone in a friendly and joyful way with playful tools on which you can try out AI stuff by yourself. If you do like this video, please like and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.